How you going, guys and girls, of course? Look at this beautiful golden hour. No wind, just a few birds and a few crickets and me and the traffic in the distance. Everything's closed around here now this time, so we're gonna fly. Enjoy, guys.
When I was a young boy, I wanted to sail around the world. That's the life for me, living on the sea. The spirit of the sailor, the circumnavigates the globe. The lust of a pioneer will acknowledge no frontier. I remember you by thunderclap in the sky, lightning flash, tempers flare round the horn. If you dare, I'd spend 6 months in the keep up, lucky just to keep afloat. El Terror, rugged individual, you glisten like a pearl at the bottom of the world. The tyranny of distance, it didn't stop the cavalier, so why should it stop me? I conquer and set free. Come on, all you lads, let's forget and forgive. There's a world to explore, tales to tell, back on shore. I spent 6 months in the keeper, lucky just to keep afloat. Shipwreck love can be cruel, don't be fooled by her kind. There's a wind in my sails, will protect and prevail. I just spent 6 months in a leaky boat, nothing to a leaky boat.
Alright, I'm not really sure what happened there. I heard a little tuck. Maybe a prop broke. Oh shit, it's gonna be a nightmare. Gotta go get some pants on. We're back. Alright, so yeah, we're down in the thick brush. I can hear it. Over there. Shit. Where are you? No poison ivy, I hope.
Our motors.
There it is. Down there, and I think we had a major accident. You can see a motor hanging off. Just let me grab it here. Okay. Not too bad, just motor screws. That's weird. Grab. Alright, let me unplug this battery here for a second. There we go. Okay. Alright, let's get out of here. Well, that was kind of weird. That was really strange. Don't know what happened there. You can see here that my motor is hanging off. I don't know if the screws came out or what, but it was in mid-flight when I lost control. And these wires are hanging off. I'm thinking that while I was trying to find my quad, it just the motor was trying to take off, and it ripped the wires out. And the only thing that kept it on was this zip tie here. But it doesn't make sense because they're not like, they're just hanging off here. Anyway, that's just from buzzing my props to find the quad. I even installed this buzzer, and with a LiPo, I had to put my own little LiPo on there. That's why it's so long, but it's one of those LiPo powered buzzers, but I guess I didn't arm it right. Anyway, the quad didn't unplug, or the LiPo didn't unplug, so I was able to find it. But if it wasn't for that, I probably wouldn't have found it. So, I don't know what happened there. Anyway, back to the repair shop. Looks like the motor still could be in good shape. Just need the ESCs put back on. Or the ESC. Well, camera survived. Everything seems to be okay besides that. Anyway, you never know, right guys? You never know.